Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank everyone for joining this webinar and taking their time out. So I'm Abhay from EDS Technologies, and I'll be your host for this webinar. So we have titled this webinar as Concept to Flight, Accelerating the Development and Certification of Smarter Drones. So before beginning the technical presentation, I would like to give a small brief about our company, EDS Technologies. EDS Technologies was incorporated in 1994 to focus on PLM solution sales, implementation, and support. We are the largest technology solutions provider in India and platinum partner to Dassault Systems. We have served more than 2,000 customers across India and have strategic alliances with world leaders as well. We operate from 9 locations across India, with our headquarters being at Bangalore. As I mentioned, we also have strategic partnerships with world leaders like EOS for additive manufacturing requirements, Human Solutions for ergonomic solutions requirements, and ESRI for GIS requirements. We have a dedicated sales, support, marketing, and customer satisfaction teams to address customers' PLM business and support requirements. In today's webinar, we are joined by our speaker from Dassault Systems, Mr. Varun Arora. Mr. Varun Arora is a seasoned sales expert with deep industry experience in product design and engineering domain. His expertise draws from over 18 years of experience as a CATIA design engineering expert for automotive transportation, aerospace and defense, consumer goods and consumer packaged goods industries. He has been actively working with drone companies in India for the last 4 years, supporting them in their transformational journey. His strong technical acumen, deep solution expertise, and industry process knowledge have earned him an excellent reputation among many clients across industries in India. Over to you, Varun.
Thank you, Abhay, and thanks to the audience for taking their time for this webinar. So, as the title suggests, that we have solutions from the portfolio, the system portfolio, that will help you from your complete journey, from the start of your concept to the finalization of your prototype and manufacturing. So, before I start into the solution details, I just wanted to share some of the trends that we are seeing worldwide from our customers and the companies, and how this whole ecosystem is evolving. A few of the trends that we are seeing now could be divided into maybe 3 broader areas. Sustainability. So more and more we see that companies and the products are going electrical and moving away from the traditional fuel systems, whatever the fuels that are available. We see a change in the pattern in the mobility usage also. Okay, how the preferences of the users are going from a driven vehicle to an autonomous vehicle, from an ownership model to a sharing and an on-demand model. And what we are seeing nowadays is that more and more startup companies or innovative companies are coming up with some bright ideas and then shaking the whole market. Okay, and the production has become more customized now. Okay, so rather than having some big plants, the production is more custom made to the requirement of the consumer, and it's been taken in smaller labs, and this is what we are seeing the trends worldwide. And if I particularly come to the area of drones, and then the success factors, the business changes that we are seeing in the drone companies, and some set of challenges that they face in the market. So the first and the foremost intent of any new player that comes into the market is to be disruptive. What new they can bring into the market that is not there. To do so, they have to be the first one from their prototype to the certification. And with the type certification becoming compulsory, so the drone companies have to be really agile. and fast in their process, so they be first to the market with their concept, with their technology, and to do so, there are a lot of tools and technologies available from Dassault Systems that will help them to manage their requirement and then govern their project. Okay. Uh, Through a model-based approach. So gone are the days where there will be the textual uh, messaging or a verbal messaging would be required to kind of collaborate and uh, do the data exchange. It is more of a modular approach, how the 3D model becomes the core of your whole design process. Okay. Uh, there are the same set of technologies could be used to have uh, tightly managed program execution. Okay, with obviously with the help of some cutting edge technologies to give you a edge in your design process even before you starting off with your actual engineering design process. It will give, there are technologies available that will enable you to take a call on a particular project or a particular model if you want to go ahead with. So what we are seeing is once you are there on the market, there is a pressure to scale fast. So the solutions that are available, okay, are suited to a business model, and it's a scalable portfolio. So as an organization, if you are just starting off, so there are multiple options available for you to start off, and then as in when your operation kind of grows, you can scale your business and scale up your softwares as per the growth that you see in the business. And also the solutions are available on multiple platform, either on premise, either on cloud. So depending on your requirement, you could start off with whatever the uh, solution or the uh, you want to start off with. uh, so from being production ready to the ramp up. Okay. So how you can ensure the digital continuity of your design into the manufacturing, and there are multiple technologies that are available that will enable you to validate your design for manufacturing. Okay. And what are the things that will enable you to actually create a virtual twin of your complete production facility if it is required. So those technologies I'll be kind of giving you a brief overview. How you could create some new mobility experiences for your customers. Okay. So how you could take a system of system approach to integrate all the uh, aspects of your design, okay, into a single platform, and then map and manage your complete project inside that. Okay. And needless to say that the cutting edge technologies for the core areas of mechanical design, composites, motor design, and the simulation. So I'll be just going through that, are available for you to kind of be the leaders in whenever you start off on our platform. So how do we ensure that whatever that has been shown, how do we kind of enable that? So through 3D Experience platform, we ensure there is a digital continuity right from your concept to your manufacturing. You are able to have a driven and a controlled execution of your whole project on a single platform. And the software could be provided as a service. As I said, it's a scalable model, and can be kind of expanded as your business operation expands. And you can start off at bare minimum level or at a certain level that you feel that would be good enough for you to start off at. What we have seen, many of the players have chosen Dassault Systems as their preferred tool for their design, simulation, and manufacturing. These are a few of the examples from the worldwide team. A few examples from India are Rafe, M-Fiber, Daksha Aerospace, Airbots Aerospace, and many more. And we have been working with universities also to enable them, their students on our technology. If you see worldwide, and this is the trend, and then we are very proud of it, that uh, we have been the de facto leader in enabling the advanced air mobility. And if you see the top 10 players in this area, 80% of them are using our technology, and 50% of these customers are on cloud, more than 50%. Okay, so we are very proud, and then we thank all our customers for putting a trust on us, and then leveraging our technology for their design. This is a testimony coming from one of our bigger customers, Joby Aviation. Okay, so they make next generation of electric UAV and personal aircraft, and they have kind of why they selected us. By we have a proven leadership in the A&D space. Okay, 3D experience platform brings in a lot of values to them. It enabled them to kind of do a cross-domain process on a single platform, and the cloud offering obviously facilitated and the ease and the speed of implementation. So what they deployed was one of our industry solution experience that comes by the name of Reinvent the Skies. So it has multiple processes in that and multiple solutions. They started off with one area workflow, and then slowly they have kind of deployed all the processes that are there inside that solution experience. So if I have a look at in detail what we offer and the solutions that are there. So right from your concept definition and validation, there are multiple technologies that will enable you to take a call at the concept phase itself, that you want to deep dive or you want to kind of proceed with a particular project or not. Now, once you are there are technologies available that will help you to reach your type certification very, very fast with the availability of ready-made templates, traceability to your requirements that will enable you to be very quick and be kind of be the first one, and also the quality of the output when you are applying for type certification. You are well aware of the workflows or the requirements that your particular drone concept would be kind of complying to. Then, as I mentioned, there are a host of tools and solutions to help you with all aspects of your drone design. Not only we have proven technologies for your machine part and sheet metal parts, but also for your composite parts. We have a very strong end-to-end solution for your composite part design and manufacturing and simulation. Again, electric wire harness, megatronics, also the if you are doing some study on the battery module or the system battery pack, we have a solution for that also. And you can start off with whatever the process that you want to start off with, and then we assure you that we have the best of the technologies that are available that will enable your team to be kind of really quick and uh, be the leaders in whatever the product design they kind of they start off with. Then we have the technologies also available to enable you to create customized visual experiences for your investors, for your marketing purpose. Okay, and also there are a host of technologies that will enable you in your manufacturing processes, from your line layout, virtual twin, to sourcing, to the manufacturing of your additive manufactured parts, to analyzing your big data for optimizing your operations. So I'll be giving you an overview of these technologies in the coming slide. So this is the all the gamut of solutions and technologies coming from our portfolio that will enable you to be sure on your design, and then going forward that you are really well versed or well placed with your design and the in the product that you are kind of bringing to the market. So to start off with, uh, I'll start with the first set of solutions that are there that enables you to, even before you start off with your project, so how you could do a kind of a comparative study between different models, and then based on those studies, the different KRAs, you could take a call that with what model you want to start off with. Now, once you have done that, you could actually create a, a kind of a initial concept model for your investors or the design team, and then using the virtual environment, you could actually share your concept with the team. Okay, so that even before starting off in your detailed design, you are able to give a good view to the team and to your management that what are you trying to make. Okay, and then you could take a call based on that, whether you want to kind of invest more in this concept or some fine tuning is required. And in the initial phase itself, there are multiple simulations available that can also be leveraged for your design. Okay. Now coming to your type certification, using this the collaborative platform, you are able to kind of build a traceability matrix of your requirement and the documents that are required to fulfill that requirement, and the design or the simulations that would be required for you to comply to a particular requirement that will be coming for the type certification from the certification manager. Okay. So this is the complete traceability matrix, and that could be kind of built in. Okay, and you can have a view of that, and it enables you to keep your project on track, to have a view if there are any changes that are required in your design or in your simulation result. You could kind of map it to the requirement and then go on and then change your design and concept so that it matches the requirement that you want to comply for your type certification. Again, coming to the areas of design. So this is a view of the end-to-end workflow for your composite design. So you could actually decide the different zones. I'll just pause it here. The different zones that you want to create for your composite part. Okay. Also the layup, what do you want to do, and moreover, you could actually generate the output depending on the manufacturing process that you will be deploying for your composite parts. Okay, so there are multiple ways and methods. So we provide the output that is kind of customizable to a particular manufacturing process that you want to deploy for your composite part. So starting from your concept of the zoning and the layup processes to the generation of the manufacturing drawing, and integrated with the simulation, all the simulations that are required for the composite part can be done inside 3D Experience platform. And so the idea is that for your composite part, you have an end-to-end solution inside 3D Experience platform. Other aspect, particularly for battery integration and optimization, if you want. So we have solution right from your molecular modeling to your battery pack simulations, and kind of doing a simulation of the battery pack and the associated electric wires that would be used around your battery pack. Okay. So you could leverage the electrical set of solutions from our portfolio and a dedicated battery management system portfolio or set of solution from our portfolio for doing that. Also, you could do some advanced level of simulations. So this is one. This is one, the noise and acoustic solution simulation that could be done on our platform. Okay. So you could do an acoustic study and the noise that your drone would be making, okay, and what impact it would be having on the adjoining environment. Okay. And so this becomes imperative for maybe for a drone that you are making for defense purposes, or also for your city mobility. Okay. So this becomes an important factor. So it's a fluidic study that could be done, and this is done on our portfolio coming from Xflow suite of products inside 3D Experience Plan. The other use cases that you could do ranges from like a bird hit, bird strike simulation on the windshield that could be done. Then the structural analysis that could be kind of done for your whole structure, and the deformation could be studied inside the environment. And then it could be the output could be seamlessly taken back to your design. Okay. And whatever the changes that you require to do in your design could be done inside a collaborative environment, and the iterations between the design and the simulation gets drastically reduced. Another area is where you want to kind of correlate the result between your uh, physical tests and the manual test or the virtual test that you would be doing. Okay. Now this is the data coming from your physical tests, okay, and how it could be kind of related to the virtual test, and then the optimized and the CFD studies could be done inside a virtual environment, just to do a correlation between the physical testing that you'll be doing in the wind tunnel and the virtual testing that you will be doing inside a inside 3D Experience platform. This is another use case where you could actually create a virtual twin of your complete production facility, okay, and how it could be leveraged. Another use case where you could do the big data analytics to kind of optimize your operation, okay, to have a view what is behind production, which part needs some attention. So that can be kind of quickly analyzed and presented in a dashboard. This is one of the example of the drones that has been made completely on 3D Experience platform. So now these are the data coming from the line, and how you can kind of optimize uh, the production cycle of a particular part, so that you don't delay on your production schedule. So when we say 3D Experience platform on cloud, uh, there are some inherent benefits, as it is always up to date. You would be always working on the up-to-date offerings from Dassault Systems, okay, and it is all out of the box. There is no customization, okay. So all the services, roles, apps are cloud, and it enables us also to give you a very robust support. Okay, and also you could on demand have an access to uh, more computation capability on cloud. So those technologies are now made available. And also the if you want to do kind of have access to the marketplace, so that you could kind of collaborate with your suppliers or find out new suppliers for your part, uh, that can be enabled through cloud. And our cloud is defense certified. So all the projects that are going inside NAM, so their defense agencies have certified our cloud as safe. So the same can be kind of leveraged for the defense related activities, that if your organization wants to kind of take on, could be taken on the cloud. Okay. The benefits, it reduces TCO, and that is the cost that would be in the initial investment that you'll be doing. You did not have to worry about the IT management and the server and other things. The delivery is fast. The moment you place an order on us, on the same day you get the license keys, and then you are up and running in the same day. Okay. Uh, Another aspect, and very important, if you are a new organization, and so the solutions are totally scalable. So as and when your operation grows, you can factor in your investments and have in some new investment in the new technologies as per your requirement. It is easy to deploy and install. It is available 24/7. Okay, and you don't. There is no restriction on the availability of the cloud. So within a geo, you can access within a particular geo. Okay, say in India, you can access your design from anywhere in India. Okay, and it is secured and always up to date. That is the inherent capability or the feature of the cloud deployment. So to engage with the startup communities, okay, we have some attractive offers that enables the startup to start on our platform, 3D Experience platform, using the technologies that I showed in the previous slide. So I'll encourage you to get in touch with EDS Technologies with your requirement, and then we'll pretty much sure that we'll be able to kind of customize the best fit package for your organization to start off with. So in the end, I'd like to summarize by leveraging 3D Experience platform, uh, the benefits that you could have. You will be experiencing the digital continuity of the complete project. So by the use of integrated value streams for your concept designing, detail engineering, manufacturing engineering, we provide best-in-class design and simulation solution, and it will be in a controlled environment, so that you reach up to the speed and be very quick to your first concept, to your first product uh, that is to be manufactured. The second is driven and control execution. So you will have the live status of all your variants projects and the associated KPIs. You will be able to kind of trace uh, your particular design, the IP that you are kind of making. Okay, uh, so that you are in a good state when you reach your type certification. The last is it's a scalable solution. Okay, and we also provide, as I mentioned, we provide turnkey solution on the cloud. Okay, and as and when at what level you want to start off with, we'll definitely have some offering for you, and we'll encourage you to get in touch with us so that we could discuss and then help you out with your design process and enhance that design process, simulation process. And will be feel free to reach to us and the team at EDS Technologies with your queries, feedback, and then we'll be happy to help you out. So with this, I'm done with my presentation. Over to you, Abhay.
Yeah, before closing, I would like to thank you for delivering a very insightful webinar. I'm very confident that it was very helpful for our audience as well. So I would like to also thank the audience for taking their time out and joining us for this session. So in case if you have any further queries or you want to get in touch with us, you can always do. Our credentials are displayed over the screen. You can always reach out to us and we'll be happy to help you out with all your requirements. So please do keep an eye out on our future seminars and webinars. You can also follow us on our social media for the same. Thank you once again, Mr. Varun, and thank you everyone at the audience. Thank you.